So if this stays restricted, we could be looking at oil prices that make today look cheap. The market now priced in almost at 60% chance that there are zero rate cuts for the rest of 2026. So almost 60% of people are thinking there's not going to be any rate cuts by the Fed until 2026. This is horrible news for investors. This is horrible news for crypto. So the ECB and Bank of England are actually warning they might have to hike rates because energy inflation is running hot. This is a massive shift. So the Strait of Hormuz at the moment is still at the choke point. And like we discussed this last week, nearly 20% of the world's oil and LNG passes through it. So if this stays restricted, we could be looking at oil prices that make today look cheap. They're going to have another global lockdown due to oil prices, due to energy savings. They're already doing this in Sri Lanka, I think we discussed last week. They're having every Wednesday off. They're putting people in their homes. Warren Buffett, his company, Berkshire Hathaway, at the moment holds more cash than it's ever held in the history since he took it over. The professionals are saying this: I'm not sure what's next, so I'm holding dry gunpowder. So the sector benefits from the environment. Energy stocks, companies like Exxon, Chevron, and OPEC adjacent plays are seeing the volume at the moment. So if you are investing in the normal stock market, then you need to be looking at Exxon, Chevron, and OPEC, as I just mentioned.